Good morning, LKN. 8:34. Happy Friday to you. Mames, did I tell you that Noah's about to lose a tooth?
No.
He's about to lose his first tooth.
Oh, that's a big deal.
Now, but he's got the one tooth is growing in underneath.
They do that now.
And I don't remember that happening for me, but everyone's mouth is different, I guess, right?
Yeah, it happened to me, and yeah, definitely could have used some help from Clear Smile whenever that was going on.
Well, we've got a friend from Clear Smile, Dr. Ryan Gross, Clear Smile Orthodontics, located in Huntersville. Actually, I have multiple locations around Charlotte, and then the one in Huntersville here. Wonderful, convenient location on exit 25. Dr. Gross, thanks for joining us again.
Hey, it's great to be back. Oh, my goodness. We have applause and everything.
Yes,
wow. You guys really brought out the red carpet for me the second time. I love being back. Thanks so much, guys.
Clear Smile Orthodontics. Okay, my son is losing his first tooth, so we're probably not there yet, right, for orthodontics yet. But does Clear Smile serve families and children, particularly in the community?
Absolutely. So we see everybody. We see adults. We see kids. And if they're losing, their first baby tooth, like you said, probably a little too early, but we can start braces even with a couple of baby teeth left, because there's some things that we can do early on when a kid, we kind of say soft and squishy, right? We can move their bones around. We can do palate expansion. We can do things to improve their airway. We can do things that we can't do with adults. So I like to see kids by like age 7, pretty much the latest. I mean, we don't miss that opportunity, that golden opportunity where they have growth up ahead. They have teeth that are coming in and out. We can kind of help facilitate that healthy eruption of teeth.
You've been here before, but for those maybe who didn't hear, give a little bit of your origin story here into orthodontics and what makes Clear Smile unique as well, would you say?
Yeah, for sure. So I got into dentistry because I played youth baseball and I got hit in the face by a wild pitch, lost a couple teeth, had to have a dentist step in and help me out. That really inspired me. I was like, I want to be that kind of person for somebody else. So that's what brought me to dentistry. I shadowed my orthodontist, loved that practice. The vibe was so fun, and people generally liked going there. Sometimes people don't like getting stabbed by the dentist, but, important stuff. With orthodontics, maybe a little bit more fun. So it's like, okay, I like this.
A lot less needles. Yeah,
yeah
that's true. I haven't touched a needle since I've been an orthodontist, which is good. And so nice pain-free experience. I love that. And then, orthodontics has just been so much fun. I'm so passionate about seeing the before and after with patients, kind of sharing that experience. Like, hey, this is where you started a year ago, year and a half ago. This is where you are now. And sometimes patients forget where they started. They're like, oh my gosh, that's what my teeth looked like. And yeah, we have all the technology to kind of showcase exactly what happened, which is a lot of fun. And then Clear Smile is a great place to practice. Like you said, the location's awesome, and we're full service. So we do everything. We treat adults, we treat kids, we do palate expansion, like I mentioned, we do Invisalign, we do braces. And we talked about that last time, the Light Force braces, those 3D printed custom fit braces. Those are so cool. So that's a lot of fun to work with as well.
Are people interested in that kind of next layer of tech? Because how much is orthodontics? How much can dentistry really be changing these
innovative,
days?
yes.
I know. No, but it's true. It really changes the game, because our average treatment time at Clear Smile is 12.9 months. That's a comprehensive case. Average in U.S. is 18 to 24 months. So and the reason why, it's not because we're moving teeth faster, because we're moving them smarter. We're moving them more efficiently with that 3D printed technology. I kind of think about it like if you're doing traditional braces, you put the brackets on as best you can. Some teeth are rotated. They're like a little bit misshapen, and you just do the best you can with the stock brackets. But what ends up happening is as you're getting kind of closer and closer to the finish line, you have to take brackets off and put them back on because they're not in the ideal spot. And you only realize that halfway through treatment or 3/4 through treatment. With Light Force, you can kind of treatment plan the end in mind. So you know exactly where to put the brackets because you're zooming in with this awesome software that they have. They 3D print exact for the teeth. So we're shaving off time, not because we're moving them faster, we're moving them more efficiently. It's like instead of taking, 3 layover flights, like I just went to Vietnam on a vacation. I had to take 3 layovers, and, that can be a little bit tiring.
Yeah.
This is like a direct flight, go from A to B. No kind of
so unlike me, who had to spend my entire middle school career in braces, that may not be the case now for kids these days.
That exactly. That's the hope, is that we're not, taking extra time just twiddling our thumbs. We're really purposeful about every single step along the way. And we're also, with Invisalign, we're actually the top 1% of providers in the country, and we're number 1 on the East Coast and number 2 in the country in terms of how much Invisalign we do year over year.
You,
Now,
you definitely want someone who knows what they're doing when they're messing
absolutely,
with your
yeah.
teeth.
I'm wondering, like, Invisalign versus braces too. Like, what's the difference? Is it just preference, or is there somebody who'd be a better candidate for one or the other?
Yeah, that's a great question, Mamie. I would say it really comes down to the responsibility of the patient and how willing they are to be compliant with treatment. So sometimes we'll have the kid come in, the parents will be
okay,
there.
so braces for both of us.
Dang it.
I know. Yeah, when you say
Sorry.
that, yeah, definitely.
Hey, it's good if you know yourself, right?
I know myself too well.
But we kind of figure that out. Like when I sit down for that initial consult with patients and their parents, I'm figuring that out with them kind of in real time. Like, what's the best fit for you? And the parents will often know, like, hey, my kid doesn't clean their room very well, so probably braces for them. And other kids, we do Invisalign. We can do Invisalign in kids, no problem.
It's definitely a journey, right? From the day one, and it's exciting the day you get them off, or the day you can switch to just kind of the more retainer style. It's maintenance of it, if you would. But along that journey, and I remember my mom, trekking me to the appointments and all that kind of stuff. This Clear Smile, you guys make it easy through the process and those checkup appointments and those follow-up appointments and keeping a schedule. What do you guys think about that part of the process?
Absolutely. So we really, the name of the game is to keep it as convenient as possible. So with either Lightforce or Invisalign, we're typically spacing the patients out every 8 to 10 weeks. So we don't need to take kids out of school that often. It's not like every 4-6 weeks. We're really able to see patients at a distant time, because we can also virtually like remote in and check in with patients, see how their progress is. And we're always available by call or text or anything like that. And sometimes patients will text me a picture like, hey, is this tracking well? Does this aligner look good? And they don't even have to come into the appointment. I can kind of talk with them virtually and figure that out. So that makes things convenient for them too.
We're hanging out with Dr. Ryan Gross. He's an orthodontist with Clear Smile Orthodontics. They're located in Huntersville, really conveniently located on exit 25. Whether you're a kid, you're a parent of a kid. I mean, I guess if you're a kid, you think you need to go and see the orthodontist. Tell your parents, go to Clear Smile. That's what you do. But bring your kid in, or if you're an adult and you're looking to make some changes. What's that like working with adults who come in after just years or decades of like wondering, can I have straight teeth? What's that like?
That's fun too, because I see both adults who admit that they didn't wear their retainer when they're young, and we both kind of know, all right, this time we're going to take it seriously. Right. We're going to do it right. And other people, like you said, who maybe haven't even had orthodontics at all, and they're like, is this even possible for me? They're just like there for the discovery of it. They don't even know, hey, can you do this? And when I tell them we can do this with aligners or braces, they're like, I can do this with aligners? I thought I'd have to do braces for, how complex this case is. And so that's really fun. Just from the initial get-go, they get so excited. I have patients who come in, they're just kind of like, I don't know if this is for me. And they leave like, when can we get started? I can't wait for this. So that's a lot of fun too.
Great service. And again, a convenient location, exit 25, Clear Smile Orthodontics off 77. One of the stories we brought up a while ago, and you're confirming it, I think, today. So can we grow teeth? Is that a real thing?
Okay. I definitely want to talk to you guys about this.
I need to know about this.
Straight from the future, right? So dentistry is not just about drilling anymore. We can detect cavities with AI.
Wow.
We can do stuff with lasers, and now we can grow teeth apparently. So check this out. So Japanese researchers at the Kyoto University Hospital have developed a drug that blocks this protein, is USAG1, which normally inhibits tooth growth. And then they've started using some animal trials like ferrets and mice and things like that. And they could successfully stimulate the growth of a third dentition. So we have 2 dentitions, baby teeth and adult teeth. And apparently there's this dormant third dentition that this protein blocks. So if you use it, isn't that crazy? So
that is crazy.
You use this drug to inhibit that protein, then the third teeth start appearing.
So there's hope. If you got your teeth knocked out as an adult, there's hope for you.
Yeah, I don't know. So there's definitely a lot of unknowns about like, where the teeth show up.
Newest product line at Clear Smile Orthodontics.
Where they coming from? I'm like, hey, we're gonna have to straighten those teeth, because who knows if they wind up in your nose or in your chin or what,
exactly.
right? So,
we don't know where they're coming from.
But there's still a lot of work to be done. Of course, they did start clinical trials September 2024 last year, and they're kind of focusing on the safety of the drug in adult males right now. But look, they said the drug might be available for general use by 2030, which is not that far away.
No, that's only 5 years away.
I don't know how expensive it'll be, but it sounds like they're hopeful that it'll be done within the next decade, which is Really cool.
You can't put a price on a smile,
There
but
you
you can
go.
at Clear Smile Orthodontics. You can
Yes,
go
you
by and see
can.
Dr. Ryan Gross and the team over there off exit 77, or excuse me, exit 25 off 77. Dr. Gross, thanks for coming in again. We appreciate you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, great to
Thanks.
have you again.
Great
Yeah,
to see
thanks so
Clear
much.
Smile Orthodontics. Check them out.